In front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening an app called Xtheme and selecting Discovery at the bottom or right corner. Now select font section over here and click on a perfect one you wish to use. Then choose download, hit apply, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my font style has changed. If you wish to go back to your default one, go into Devices Settings, scroll down a tiny bit to hit Theme and Lock Screen, select My Fonts, click on a default one and select Apply. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!